Are you having trouble sending or receiving messages on Instagram? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram message problem. I'll walk you through the steps to take to get your messages working again. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end to learn how to troubleshoot this common issue. So, first of all, open up your Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. To the right of Instagram, it will either say, Open or Update. If it says Open, it means that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. If it says Update, then you need to update your Instagram application ASAP because updating usually fixes these kinds of issues with the app. And after you've updated your app, go over to your settings and scroll down and tap on Apps. And then tap on this search bar up top to search for Instagram. When you are on this screen, tap on Storage, and then you want to clear all of the data that is associated with the app. So go ahead and tap on Clear Data. The reason for this is that it will clear out all of the corrupted data that might have been collected over time by the Instagram app. So after you clear the app data, go back and tap on Permissions. You want to give permission for all of these. Once you have done that, restart your device. You can then log back into the Instagram app and it should fix your issue and you should be good to go. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.